Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use team member shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of team member shortcode. Team member shortcode can be used to display your team member name, photo, position and social profiles. This way you can show your company's professions and their expertise as well as show your visitors who they might be dealing with in future. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, let me add 3 columns. Now click on plus icon inside column. In pop-up window select POFO tab and click on team member shortcode. POFO contains 2 different team member styles. This is Team Style 1. This is Team Style 2. So let me go with Team Style 1. Let me upload team member image using this option. You can select thumbnail or cropped image version as per size mentioned here if you don't want to show full original image size to optimize page load speed. Enter team member name and designation. You can switch off content if you don't want to show it. Enter content information. You can switch on off separator using this option. Social tab. Here you can add team members' social page URL. Let me add hash for example with some social profiles. Style tab. You can set text case of title and content here. You can set text cases like uppercase, lowercase or capitalize. You can set box hover background color and opacity also. You can change icon size, icon color and icon hover color. You can manage horizontal and vertical alignment of text here for different devices. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of name and designation. You can manage font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc. Italic font on-off, change font color, font underline on-off. Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then you can switch on this option. Go to Extra tab. This is element id. You can assign unique id to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Wow, it's look awesome with entered information and selected style. Now let me copy of this created team member and move it to second column. Let me update content and select team style 2 for second team member. You can see both style 1 and style 2 here. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.